Leg on here, grinding my anvil down flat.
Using my new angle grinder, it's 120 grit, metal flat disc. I'm going to use it to polish off the top. Steel's a little bit hard for this disc. I think I'm going to have to try and use a different disc. This should grind off a lot more metal, a lot faster.
And 7 minutes later, I am still grinding, but it's slowly eating away, and by the end you'll see how polished it is relative to the front photograph. I'll see if I can do a before and after.
See, I got all the primary grime off. Got a long way to go still. 7 minutes, wow. This video is too long, I'll have to fast forward. Anyways, I'm going to switch back to my sanding disc and polish it off. This is a 120 grit disc. So polish off the top.
Doop-de-doop-de-doo. YouTube, I keep on working. It's about 7 more minutes of grinding, 120 grit, polishing, flap disc. Pretty good amount of work on this, but it worked out good.
So, YouTube, just to see the difference made, you can see the top is now a lot smoother. I've still got a few marks. That 120 grit really dug in, and so polishing it with the 40 grit really dug in. So polishing it with the 120 took out a lot of it, but it didn't take out all the marks, but it's very smooth now. I've rounded off all the corners. It is about ready to start pounding. Let's just hear a nice anvil ring. That's it.